Ensure that you have a level path.
Starting now.
I don't know about that, but we got less than an hour.
Carried in place. And what you do is you line up the end wall. The end wall is on the outside. The side wall is on the inside.
And I'm staying backwards and get ready.
Okay, once you got the wall level and square, we'll show you better on the corners that are more accessible.
Have the cord.
Pretty tight here. And lining it up with the screws that are already on the wall. You screw it in. That's how quick it is. You're just going to put one on the other side to hold that wall in. And that's that. Now you just put screws all the way along the corner edge. There you can see that corner finish now. As you can see, it's a tight area we're working in here, but that shouldn't affect it. So there's your first two walls lined up on a square platform in under 10 minutes with carrying and unloading. Now for the next wall. Again, all the trims that you need come as a package. And of course, all of the screws. The door, as you can see on the bottom, the front yes,
That's the second wall in it.
okay, yeah, they're 9.5 by 19.5. Oh yeah, mint shape. Well, durable frame. Oh yeah. I think they might be 6 inches longer, but well, I'm not at the shop right now to measure them, but I'm pretty sure it's the same. Yeah. I didn't take them out of the I don't know how to do it. I don't remember the measurement. We're open 9 to 5 on but you can actually go to my shop, they're right beside the front. Stacked up. Get by a front.
This one looks pretty good, actually.
We are in on Sunday.
All same color. Right there. Get them over here.
Well, there you go. You should give us a trim. There's a piece of wood you'll find at the bottom of the front end wall, and leave that on until the shed is put all together, with the exception of the roof. That's to help you square it off and so the door doesn't twist. Once you've got your 4 walls on, then you can remove this board at the bottom. Here's the last wall going in place. becomes a problem, or not a problem, but this is the hard part, is you got to get everything square. Very important that you start with a level ground or platform. Makes everything go a lot easier. Remember that the side walls go butting up to the end walls. Once you've got it squared up, it's just a matter of putting the corner post on. And the shed is intact. Sorry if the shot's not that good. The sun seems to be wrong. Now we remove the board, because when we put this last corner on, we want to double check that the shed is square. So there's Tom going into it. As you can see, the door works fine because it was held together with that board. Now one will go inside and the other will square up the corner.
So how close is it? Eighth of an inch.
Eighth of an inch.